Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be talking about another exciting coin that has the potential to get to 100% return in a short-term period. And make sure to stay until the end because I'm gonna share you my personal account and my gains that I were able to make in the last couple weeks. So let's dive into it and see what's going on. Okay, so as you've seen from the title, this coin is Mantra Dao. The ticker is OM. Well, the coin started great and end up at the bottom. So we see that from the history that we have, we started about 24 cents and now we are at 25 cents. So pretty much at the lowest point that is possible. Again, in crypto, anything can happen. It can go lower. If Bitcoin gonna start falling down and the sky gonna start falling down, anything can happen, and we all know it because we all living through the consequences of what can happen, the unknown. Okay, so let's jump into the chart and see what happened. So as we see, since the coin came out, we reach 137% gain, which I personally missed, and I kind of came in very late at this area, and I'm gonna again share it with you what happened to me in this point of area when I came in into this coin. But it looks like it's a great time to start accumulating this coin, because again, this is at the bottom. We still can go lower, but as I'm usually saying, and as I'm personally doing, I'm never going in with all of my money. I'm trying to execute 2 buys, 3 buys at least. So let's say if you decide, okay, we are at the bottom of the price, that we don't have this coin price from very far. It was only August 18 that we have the history, and it's a fairly new coin, but we're at the bottom. How far can we go? So it looks like now it's gonna be a great time to get in and again and make your first order. In case we are gonna be going down, let's take the Fibonacci here and see what's the worst that can happen. Well, okay, so if we still didn't find the bottom, and this is gonna be our first bottom, which is at 22 cents, almost at 23. The next stop, if we're gonna break this level, the next stop will be 12 cents, which is, if you're gonna be getting into it now, or let's say you'll wait for this level, it's gonna be about 45% drop. In cases like this, that's why they invented stop loss. So make sure you use it if you are getting into this coin. But anyway, if even you'd be starting accumulating now and your first entry gonna be around the 22 cents, your second entry gonna be at around 12 cents, and so on, then you're gonna have a pretty good average here. And when the coins start pulling up again, you will have a great potential to make great returns. So if we're just gonna take from the point where we are now, if we're gonna be buying and the coin gonna reach the previous prices, there is a potential of 140% gain. So the first profit take will be probably, if you're gonna be getting somewhere here, if we can see, we're gonna have here quite a strong resistance. So I would say at about 42 cents. Then our next take profit, probably I'll be looking at taking at around this area. And the third profit take, I'll be looking at around the 59 cents. Again, I'm usually entering in few entries and I'm exiting in few exits. I'm not waiting to get the whole gains, because sometimes it can reach to your first target and then it can go to a very strong correction and then you will have to wait longer. So I usually try to take, if let's say I entered here I'm gonna be taking 50% of my initial investment, then I'm going to be taking 25% more, and at the top I'm going to take the rest 25%. And again, if we're going to hit here and I see that the coin really start changing the direction, I'm going to take the other 25% that I was waiting for at the top. I'm going to be taking them out, so then when the coin corrects, I can enter again at some point to again take me up. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at, and just wanted to share with you what I was doing with this specific coin. So here, if you want, you can pause it and take a look my transactions. So I'll show you that I cannot go farther in history because I opened this account not a long time ago, and the first transfer that I did here, it was $1,950. It was just a little bit over a couple of weeks ago. So I was able to buy 3,746 of this coin. I just enter all in. At the time I was in a pretty rush, but I didn't have much time to put my entries. I just opened the account, I put the money there, and since then I was able, so again, as I said, the first buy was at 3,740 coins, and since then I was able to make it to 7,200 coins. So while we were, like I said, I missed this whole pump, so I was entering somewhere in this area, I believe, and while it was going up and down, I was able to get in, get out, get in, get out. But again, I'm looking at the charts pretty much on a daily basis, so for me it's a little bit easier to be getting in and getting out. But if you're more a long-term investor, I definitely think now it's a pretty good time to be getting in. And again, when this coin gonna start pumping again, you're gonna enjoy the profits. If you missed the first run of that coin, it looks like it's not, this correction not gonna be going for too long. Depend again what's gonna be happening overall in the economy. But that's again what I'm doing, not a financial advice. This is my personal take on this coin, my personal analysis. Make sure you're doing your own research. And if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe, you hit the like button, click the notification bell so you're not gonna be missing any further videos, because I will try to continue putting updates like this on other coins, so then you will not be missing on any profits. That's all for today. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Adios.